Prior to coming to Hofstra Law, I worked in international business for about 6 years. And prior to that, I was working on the legal and business side of venture capital and private equity injections. It's interesting, a lot of people thought that because of my previous business experience and because of my previous legal experience, I was going to have an advantage. And the only advantage I really found that I have, being a non-traditional student, is that I know exactly what I want to do. So I can tailor my entire education, my externships, everything towards that goal. Last summer, I worked at an international law firm in Dublin, Ireland, which was set up through our Global Initiatives department. And I've worked very closely with that department to try to find something that would be the best fit for me. And what I really wanted was to have on-the-ground, EU-level experience that not only looks good on a resume, but is something that will set me apart in future practice. I know now that I can converse with my colleagues across the pond and they will know what I'm talking about. Utilize your professors, learn from them, learn who they know and how to get there. There is no such thing as a no here. Every time I've had an example or an idea or something that would be time-consuming to administrators, time-consuming to the professors, they never dismiss me. It's always, let's explore that, let's see it. There have been a number of instances where my ideas have gone absolutely nowhere. And they knew that when I walked through the door and started explaining it, but they let me explore it. And the couple of times that I actually had ideas that were useful and worthwhile and pursued them, they've turned into some amazing things for the school. So they help you explore not just yourself and your ideas, but help make the school better. We're not beholden to old ideals or stale ways of thinking. We are capable of changing very quickly with the times. That is something that is not only necessary, but mandatory if you want to get a job. So Hofstra Law has been great with really looking at ways to improve itself for the next generation.